Ready?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to test GMDSS weekly test. So first I need to test my preset internal and external test. So internal test going to mode 7 next and then DSE 7. This choose to this scroll anti-clockwise direction, move to, and then DS is set that off, pressed, and then this clockwise direction, and then run. Okay. Now DS is one in left test. Every daily GMDSS daily test, this internet set that, and then weekly test need to test to near the coast station, and then it's near the coast station. They don't acknowledge test to the other person. So by question sailor sit travel to question. So now I just not other person. So just that need to call and then individual and then no phone. This is my SI number 377 and then change the channel. Channel is only if you want to like any channel, channel 06, 09, 17, 18, something like that. So that's that. Channel 09 and then okay. Send. So this test to this post engine vessel. So need to acknowledge receipt. Now send to the individual. They let wait for acknowledge. Waiting for acknowledge around 43 seconds. If he didn't reply, can call direct from this application. Motor vessel port injured. Now I send you a question. Yes, it does. Please acknowledge to me, sir. So now you can see call receive, individual receive, and also call return list that okay.
Did you receive acknowledgement?
Yes, Port Angel, I already received DSC. Thank you, sir. So now I send you my DSC test.
Okay.
So now I already received for acknowledge. So that's the another we can check from Sada mesh and then receive DSC and receive call. So that's that you can check receive call and then individual acknowledge you can receive for 377 277 000.
Newspaper.
Already receive DSC test. So let's do the Asia test. This Asia model and FR and Asia 150-100. So that's that. First we need to daily test user test daily test. This daily test and then this everything okay need to print. So they have that already print out daily test subject and then need to test to near first needs to test near a coast station. Plus near a coast station just that they are replying, so just not acknowledge. So just I need to test to other vessel. So just we go to DSC message and then general message type. We can check position test and then this MSI number post in the MSI 377 277 000 and then safety this DSC frequency 287.5 kHz. Okay, and then go. So now send this person am I here test sending, and then we waiting for acknowledge. Let's now wait for acknowledge. So if now he didn't acknowledge, we can now already receipt. Yes, it must say that. So click now already receipt, and then we can check for this Asia printer, and then just already receipt just acknowledge. So now we click that Asia and Asia just already completed, and then other thing we need to tell that emergency. So emergency, this emergency number Sailor 6018. That's why I need to tell you to now what, and then from here limited. This stuff from last week already test daytime last week, and then today date I need to test for limited. So it's limited. This will be low. Okay, no problem. Yes, and then waiting for around 3 to 5 minutes, and then my boss said MBTP didn't use, so use two emergency number 1, emergency number 2. So that's why we need to test emergency, 2 emergency need to test. That emergency model number Sailor DT 4646 echo. So that's why we need to test from cursor choose to right arrow, and then go to option, and then they have we can right arrow, down arrow, and then go to link that, and then press enter, and then this, and then it activate. Okay, and then now okay, and then just waiting for a few minutes, around 3 to 5 minutes. Just do emergency lamp test, and then next we need to test the subtest. This subtest every weekly needs to test. They have this sub 20. This needs to weekly test, and then they have on, off, and test. So that's why we need to test this one lower. This subtest using subtest in vicinity clear or basic more code, but now this video I will explain you how to test GMDSS test. So this time I will show you the subtest, and then this need to transfer on the external radar. So this time I will show you test, and then this red light indicator, and then we can check external radar. External radar has display in the circuit. External radar display circuit is out. Now already display now this subtest working, and then next test to EPAS. This EPAS and SR from here. This EPAS or the SR. EPAS also need to test. Then have that activated. You can see this on, ready, and test. So ready and test from. In case of emergency, this time we need to just lift cover and need to on. But that time we every weekly need to test. So that time test to use the any screwdriver, and then press around from here also instruction press 3 seconds, around 3 seconds. So that time light appear. This for test now working. If you want to close, so around 3 seconds press again. Now already this close. So now weekly test Asia and Russia sub EPAS already test, and then other test need to emergency also now in progress. In two emergency in progress need to test that NAVTEX. This NAVTEX sailor set on the phone. So going to this home, they have that NAVTEX. No, going to system, and then they have that subject. Subject, they have that run orders. Run order, everything is power button, test pass, book no pass, 10 o'clock pass, and 10 o'clock anti-clockwise pass. And then this for right blindly test pass, red pizza test pass, green pizza test pass, blue pizza test pass, black pizza test pass. And then next external speaker test pass, handset speaker pass. This for microphone, this for data connector microphone test. So that's time also this for a free, that's no problem. Other external speaker and handset speaker is work. And then other USB, they had the two USB connector, upper connector pass, lower connector pass. And then other starlight sensor test pass. And then they had the start or alarm output 1 pass, started out alarm output 2 also pass. And then send test message on NIE out pass. Also send test message on land out station also pass, data receive on land out station also pass, and then monitor pass. So that all stated all alert test pass, control test pass, display that audio. This audio for only microphone. That's also no problem. Other all pass. You can see all pass. So that's time we need to from here right corner press and then show production test log. Show production test log. We can check from there here. Everything is all pass. So that's time this NAVTEX is completed. It you are let's say this sailor and then connected to the printer. That's time need to print out. But my message they don't connected to the printer. So that's time only for record. Because after inspection will be on board, we will approve for them. So that's time already completed. So now we waiting two emergency. We waiting for two emergency linters. Now also they are completed. Also in progress. Linter in progress. It's also linter in progress. So that's time we need to free the GMDSS bubble. GMDSS bubble, I will separate daily, weekly, and monthly. From here, weekly test. Here, weekly test, and then now today 06 July. 06 July 2025. UTC around 0800 UTC. Glacier subject. Glacier subject test to go RBC. And then this for satisfactory. And then acknowledge receipt. This 0805 UTC MHF subject MHF subject test to go RBC. Satisfactory. And then acknowledge receipt. And then 0810 UTC 2 emergency limited satisfactory. And then 0815 UTC subject satisfactory. and then 0820 UTC epoch test. Satisfactory. And then around 0825 UTC NAVTEX subject.
Motor tanker the push, motor tanker the push, motor tanker C turbo point coming 3.
Satisfactory. This for we supply to weekly and then this monthly, and then after need to pay daily or daily also we need to pay. Just for yesterday daily test, today weekly test, YA number 2503 March July 2025 bound from Fujala to Sharjah, weather blue sky, and this UTC platform is page number, and then date 06 July 2025 GMDSS weekly test at position 25 degree 34.6 minute north, 055 degree 06.1 minute east, and the side and the around 0800 station. Station 2 bot engine and we bot engine post engine this MSI number 3772770 and then for 31400 1038. This for our station MSI number, and then frequency this for mood channel 70 channel 709 and then VHF sub tab that to go Alabasi, and then little side, and then around 0805 also post engine 377 277 400 1038 frequency 2182.5 kHz 2182.5 and then MS HR subtab tab to go Alabasi, and then 0810 2 emergency limited and 0815 soft step 0820 epoch test 0825 NAVTEX subject, and next we need to test we need to check the GMDSS battery load. So around 0830 GMDSS battery on off logbok. And then from here daily check-in result, so that's it, normal dish, and then failure cross, so that's the IBAT. Okay, Voyager DSC 1 okay, Voyager DSC 2 okay, Voyager DSC okay, and then emergency okay, sub 1 okay, sub 2 okay, antenna okay, and two-way Voyager 1, two-way Voyager. This two-way Voyager is for monthly, the two-way Voyager antenna need to check monthly and pivot departure. So and then battery voltage 24 volt around 0.9 current, and then from here signature of master, and then that's we need to check the GMDSS battery. From here the GMDSS battery is for now working condition, and then GMDSS battery charger flip on off switch. This flicker inside of the GMDSS flicker, so that's that I didn't open, but this for GMDSS battery control panel inside of that on switch. So that's that we already completed, and then emergency also you can set take time 2025 July 06. This for UTC not too much definitely, but it's no problem. So that's that we need to print. Because I click on every time, so that's that click every time. Okay, so that's that it complete, and then we need to here and then here. This also emergency printer, but this printer already completed. Also everything is okay. It want to print out choose to the this for manual, this for test assessment. So that I need to print under this printer is there some failure, so this printer it does not print out, but this another printer is working. So I this emergency number 1 printer it didn't working. So that's why it cannot print out, but can check this equipment is for good working order. So that's why we need to keep under the GMDSS MD Ocean 1 GMDSS daily, weekly, monthly test record. I separate GMDSS daily test, MSS DSC, and then GMDSS weekly test. RRT GMDSS monthly test, GMDSS departure test. So that's that GMDSS weekly test we must be your best it working. Your best had it NAVTEX connected printer. So that's that need to just for Asia DSC. Asia subject is for Asia just to go out of it. This one for emergency limited. It your best NAVTEX connected to printer. That time also need to be NAVTEX subject. It your best had that Voyager also connected to printer. That's also need to keep it. I did move this for move first, and then we must be keep this for approved for survey. It's approved for inspector. So that's that we must be keep. From we must be free here. Weekly debt. And then 2O. Now GMDSS weekly test is already completed successful. So first we need to test Asia subtet, and then Asia we test to call code radio station, but code radio station data acknowledge, so that's that need to test to call nearest vessel, in vicinity vessel, and then second need to test Amasia subtet, Amasia test to call nearest code radio station. If nearest code radio station didn't acknowledge, so that's I need to test to vicinity vessel, and then other thing need to test subtet, that's I need to test in vicinity is vessel is clear, that's time test is more good best. Now this video nearest vessel also had the best, because I want to explain how to test subtet, so that's time I will show this video, this subtet, and that subtet that need to open the expand radar, and then other thing EPAT test, need to test emergency. If your person use emergency and ABTV, just I need to test emergency and ABTV. If your person used to two emergency, so just I use that two emergency need to test, and then other need NAVTEX test, and then GMDSS battery on low on test, and then after need to record GMDSS radio logbok. We must be record GMDSS weekly, daily, weekly, monthly departure test need to record. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share to my channel. See you next video.